Hello guys, Joel here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you about concept of objects. That is the first topic in Java programming. I'll try to make it as simple as possible. So let's start. So first, in Java, the first part is everything is based on an object. That is, Java is object-oriented programming. Like C++, it is not. You don't need to use a lot of steps. Object, you can just create an object and give it a function to do. For example, in real life, an object, say a clock, the function is to show the time, and the features are, it's mostly circle. It has a round face and it shows the time. So basically, this clock is the object, time its function, and circle its attributes. Same way in Java, there is the object, which is the basis of everything, all computation. Then it has its own attributes and it has its own characteristics. Attributes are the data. Okay, attributes is the data, and the characteristics is the functions or method, as we call them. Okay, so Java is very user friendly and it has light code. That means you just need to put a little bit of code to create a big program. One of the main topics is data abstraction. It is abstraction that is simplifying. Like when you are driving a car, you don't need to know how the engine works, how much fuel you have. You just need to know how to drive the car. That is the accelerator, the gears, and the steering. So that the car is the object. The background details are the engine, the systems, etc. What you really want to know is how to drive it. So how to drive it, that is the main thing that you will be seeing, but you cannot see all the engines and the system that's in the background. Java hides it for you so you don't get confused what you have to do. So abstraction refers to the act of representing essential features, not the background details. So you do not need to know what's happening, that the computer will do. Encapsulation, that is the second term. Second term you need encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? That is the characteristics and the behavior. Behavior is combined into one unit. That is called encapsulation, or the data and the functions. That is into one unit. That is the object. That is called, the process is called encapsulation. These functions, as I said, they are called methods in programming. So now, how do you implement the methods? Okay, that is entity. Let's take student. The student has its own features. That is, let's say, attributes. Okay, attributes and behavior. The attributes are small, maybe okay, small, tall, fair, dark, anything. Then the behavior is like studies, sport, etc. Okay, so This is implementing objects. The student is implemented into attributes, that is his characteristics and his behavior. Now, when two objects need to communicate with each other, the process is called message passing. Just like the student, we use email, same way. This is called message passing, and we use email. Okay. So that's much of the concept of objects. So the basic points to know, that is, an object, as I said, has attributes and behavior. That is, in layman's language, in the technical terms, it is data and functions. Now, how to use them and all of those I will be saying that in the next episode. So next is encapsulation, and abstraction. Okay, encapsulation, as I said, is joining the attributes and behavior into one unit, that is called the object. That is just what the object is comprised of. Abstraction is showing only the foreground details except the background details. That is what you're doing. That is a sum of two numbers. It is not showing you how they are being added. 1 plus 1. It doesn't show you how they are being added. It just shows you the result. Okay. So that's it for this episode. I'll be joining you in the next chapter. Thank you.